conversation skills. The secret to successful socializing. Going to a party. Are you going to the party on Saturday?
I was thinking about it. Are you?
Yeah, I heard it's going to be a lot of fun.
Really?
Well, what time does it start? It starts at 8 p.m., and I really think you should go.
Well, who else is going to be there?
Everybody from school.
How do you know it's going to be so fun?
This party is going to have a DJ, food, and drinks.
Wow, that does sound like it's going to be fun.
So, am I going to see you at the party?
Yeah, I will be there. Making plans for the weekend.
What are you doing this weekend? I am not sure. What are you doing? I was thinking of maybe taking a drive to the beach. That sounds like a great idea. Would you be interested in joining me? Sure, I would love to go with you. When would you be leaving? I thought that we could leave around 8 on Saturday morning. That would give us plenty of time to explore. Did you know there is a music festival on the beach in Santa Barbara? That was part of my plan. Well then, I'll see you on Saturday. Thanks for asking me to go with you.
Inviting a friend to a birthday party.
Hey, Robert. What are you doing this weekend? I didn't have any big plans. We are putting together a birthday party for Mary. That sounds like fun. Where will it be?
We thought it would be fun to have a pool party at Jay's house.
Oh, good. Can I bring anything?
We will be providing hot dogs, hamburgers, and cake, but people can bring side dishes.
I am assuming the dress is casual.
Dress casually and bring your bathing suit.
Wonderful. Just email me the time and date, and I'll be there.
Inviting boss to a dinner party.
Mr. Lee, I was wondering if you and your wife had plans for next Friday night? Yes, I think we might be free. What did you have in mind? I've mailed a formal written invitation to your home inviting you to a dinner party at my home. That sounds great. Is it casual? Actually, we thought it would be fun to have a formal sit-down dinner for the holidays. That sounds good. It will give my wife a chance to dress up.
Yes, we've invited 4 other couples, so it should be a good mix of people.
That sounds wonderful. Will there be anyone there that I know?
Oh, yes. Everyone we are inviting is from our company.
Great! I look forward to it. We'll make sure and check the mail for our invitation.
Accepting invitation to a party. Joe, how are you doing today?
Pretty good. Mary, I was wondering if you would like to come to a party on Friday night.
I am free that night, and a party sounds good.
Fine. It will be at my house. Do you know how to get there?
I kind of know where you live, but could you email me your address?
I can do that. Do you have anyone that you would like to bring with you to the party?
I would really like to bring my friend, Jake, if that would be okay.
Oh yeah, I remember Jake. That would be fine.
Would you like some help with the food?
Just bring along whatever it is that you and Jake would like to drink. Buying flowers. I need some flowers for my wife because it is her birthday.
We have some fresh red roses.
How much are the roses?
$20 per dozen.
That sounds like a good deal.
Yes, that is today's sale price.
I'll take a dozen.
Is there anything else you'd like to get?
No, the roses will be fine.
I'm sure your wife will love them.
Choosing a gift.
I have no idea what to buy for Mary for her birthday.
Me neither. Would you like to go in and buy her a gift together?
Yes, that would be great.
We need to think about what she might like. What are her interests?
If I remember right, she likes music, skiing, and reading.
You know, maybe we could get her some concert tickets. Who would know her favorite groups?
Her roommate, Malia, might know what her favorite groups are.
Yeah, Malia would be able to help us choose a concert.
Let's give Malia a call and ask her for help right now.
Good. Maybe Malia would like to go in with us on this gift. Greeting a visitor.
Welcome, Ron. Come on in.
Hi, Malia. What a nice home.
We enjoy it too.
How long have you lived here?
About 4 years now.
Well, it is very beautiful.
Ron, have a seat and I'll get us something to drink.
Good. I am really thirsty. You know it is really hot outside?
I have lemonade, iced tea, and mango juice.
Mango juice would be perfect. Thank you. Greeting an old friend. Hi! I haven't seen you in a while. Yes, it has been a long time. How long has it been since we last saw each other? I think that we last saw each other 2 years ago. What have you been doing for the past 2 years? I have been going to graduate school at USC. What are you majoring in? I am studying international communications. You should easily be able to find a job with that major. I am counting on being able to get a good job. Accepting food or drinks. Ashley, what a great dinner party. Thank you, Joe. What would you like to drink with your meal? I can offer you wine, mango juice, or water. Just water would be fine. Excellent choice. Can I dish you up some chicken? Yes, the chicken looks wonderful. How about some salad to go with your chicken? Sure, I love salad. Would you like to have rice with your chicken? Yes, I think that rice will go perfectly with my chicken. Good. I think we are all set. Declining food or drinks. Mary, it's good to see you. Josh and I were just on our way back home from the beach and thought we'd drop by. I am so glad that you decided to stop by. Yes, It has been a long time since we have seen you.
Mary, can I get Josh or you something to drink?
Oh, no, thank you. We aren't all that thirsty.
How about a little snack then?
No, thank you. We just ate lunch a little while ago.
Well then, how is your family?
Everyone is doing great. My sister finally had her baby. Gossiping.
Hi, Julie. How are things going?
Everything is great, Tad. How are you?
I'm doing really well.
Tad, I'm pretty hungry right now. Want to walk over and check out the food table?
Julie, do you know who that woman is over there by the window?
That is Mary. I heard that she's just moved in with Lee.
I thought that he was with Malia.
Oh, that relationship is history. Malia hooked up with a guy she met on holiday.
I bet that Lee wasn't too happy about that.
Actually, he was okay with it. They hadn't been getting along too well.
Wedding discussion. Their wedding was absolutely beautiful. It really was. I want a wedding like that. How much do you think they spent on their wedding? I think it must have cost them a nice chunk of change. Do you want a big wedding like that? Not really. I'd rather have a small wedding. I wouldn't want a small wedding. Why not? I want my wedding to be big and memorable. It can be small and memorable too. Well, to each his own. You are absolutely right. Going to the beach.
Do you want to go to the beach tonight?
Sure. Which beach are we going to?
I wanted to go to Malibu Beach.
I like Santa Monica.
The water there looks so dirty.
I just like the pier they have at Santa Monica.
I like the pier too because it's beautiful at night.
Is Malibu Beach nice?
It's a lot nicer, and I really like it better.
So, you want to go to Malibu?
If that's okay with you.
Sure, let's go to Malibu. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment on my video. Please, subscribe to Learn English with Jessica channel to watch more helpful videos. Goodbye.